Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman pong kaibigan niyo si Jade. Sa video natin ngayon, mag-congratulate po tayo kay Miss Jessica Sanchez, winner po ng American Got Talent Season 20, no? Nanalo po siya ng 1 million pesos, no? So ito po ay inspirasyon po, hindi lang po sa mga Pilipino, American, ibang ding lahi na kung magpursige ka lang sa gusto mo sa buhay mo, katulad ng pagiging singer, for example, time will come kung i-allow po ng Panginoon ay mananalo ka po sa isang contest, no, na very prestigious, no. So makinig po tayo sa kanya, no, sa kanyang live, no.
A fun situation. To the judges, I mean, Sophia, I know she's probably not watching this, but I feel like she really helped me get this far with the golden buzzer. I mean, she really made that moment for me, so I can't thank her enough. And then Simon, I've always wanted to sing in front of Simon ever since I was a little girl, and tonight he just showed me so much love. I mean, throughout the whole season he showed me so much love, but tonight he came up to me and said, if you ever need anything, I'm here for you. And that just means so much. And then I'm about to go home and be a mom, so that is freaking crazy. But you look creepy more and more throughout these.
I don't have my glasses, bro.
Oh my gosh. And the contestants. Oh my goodness. The other contestants. I did not think tonight was going to go the way it did tonight, because I shared the stage with so many amazing talents. And I mean, you guys watched it. Everybody was so amazing. I got a cowboy hat on. Everybody was so amazing, and I'm just so honored and so grateful that you guys thought I deserved to be crowned the winner. And again, just for believing in me, I thank you guys so much. I made so many friends through this season. Micah, I love you. That dude is so talented, and he's just a freaking star. Jordan, one of the dopest dudes. He's amazing. His voice is incredible. Zach Mears, oh my gosh, the magician. He's just the sweetest, and his family is just the best. Austin. I mean, there's just been so many amazing talents and amazing people at that. So God has really been showing out these past couple months. When I first decided to audition, I hadn't been really doing a lot of music, and then I just was like, you know what, I want to try this again, and I felt really peaceful about it. I was like, you know what, let me give it another shot. And it was really scary for me because, as you guys know, I've done this before, and I feel like I failed in the past, and I failed you guys. And so coming back, it was really scary. And then a couple days later, I find out that I'm pregnant. Okay, TikTok hat. And I asked myself, should I continue this journey, and should I still pursue this even though I'm pregnant now? And my husband, kind of reminded me, there's an open door there, and God has opened that door, and I think it's your responsibility to just walk through it and see what happens. I'm like...
Okay, no? So, napakaganda, no? Ng kanyang sinabi na sabi nga ni Jessica Sanchez, no? Na she done that before, she failed. Okay? And then sa ngayon, after several days daw na laman niya na buntis siya, itutuloy pa ba? Pero sabi ng kanyang husband, there is an open door, you just try it, no? Wala naman mawala eh. So, ma-apply din natin ito sa ating buhay, guys eh. Na hindi ibig sabihin nag-fail ka ngayon, bumagsak ka, ay wala ka ng pag-asa. Remember, hindi natin alam ang bukas, no? If you work hard on it, no, in something that you believe in yourself, it will give the universe, guys, no, will give you an opportunity, no, never give up, no? Sometimes ilagay po tayo ng Panginoon sa isang lugar na very uncomfortable, unfamiliar places, unfamiliar job, unfamiliar territory para makita natin ang meaning eh. Kasi kung alam na natin mangyayari bukas, we are very careful and cautious. Na wala ng thrill at saka wala ng challenge para sa atin kasi alam na natin ang what will happen tomorrow. Ganon din sa kanya. Sino ba ang maniniwala na siyempre may edad na siya, may mga baguhan, mga bata, mga magaling ding magkanta, and then thousands po nag-audition sa American Got Talent hindi naman isa dalawa. So hindi naman ibig sabihin na okay may pangalan na siya, no? Jessica Sanchez, pero hindi naman siya very popular compared sa mga ibang artist, no? So sometimes God, makes things possible through our effort. Yun lang po guys, sana po may napulot po tayong aral sa kay Jessica Sanchez, no, na everything is possible kahit nag-fail tayo at hindi pa po huli ang lahat, no. Yun lang po guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Please like, share, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Mahal po kayo, ito naman po ang kaibigan nyo si Jake. Paalam guys!